My research topic is data security and privacy issues in healthcare. Here I have normalized and narrowed down the previous question. Now I am working on the particular question related to healthcare industry. The prime of my prime aim of my research study is to identify big data security and privacy issues. Moreover, the study also aims to recognize how big data associated issues have hampered the operation of healthcare industry through violating security and privacy of medication, treatment, and patients' information related data. Apart from that, this research study also aims to identify how those big data related security and privacy issues can be prevailed within healthcare industry, which may help to improve diagnosis process and treatment for the patients. If big data security implemented in healthcare industry, they can see which things are they are working wrong and next time they can correct with their issues. My research question is to be like to recognize the big data security and privacy issues that have threatened the performance and operations of healthcare industry and to identify the impact of those security and privacy associated threats of big data within healthcare industry operations and performance to discover the ways by that those security and privacy associated threats of big data within healthcare industry and data and data flow and data security. First will be the monitoring. This particular framework using PAM techniques to monitor whole project data like database application, each and every cycle of the specific process monetize and data collect done by this. Policy management. Big data security have big frame about their policy management because of their data sourcing and management. The system take in structured data as input and also gives system a structured data which is good for further improvement. That is the reason why it is going to coming helpful with the healthcare industry. The third one is privacy. Data privacy is also security related matter and this option is the most important topic for healthcare. Privacy is a thing that never be compromisable because every sector needs privacy in their project. In healthcare segment, there are few drugs and antidotes formula invented every day, and these formulas are very harmful. If it is goes to the wrong hand, in these regards, it's noticed that many entities are concerned about those data for bad purpose. And the time schedule. Big data service provide every project time management or time scheduling capabilities. That means in long run it can handle all project cycle schedules delivery of the product. At the end is the conclusion. In this context, it's noticed that healthcare industry has witnessed diversified benefits through adoption of big data IT infrastructure. It is also believed that certain privacy and security related issues have initiated certain threats and challenges for healthcare industry. This particular research study intend to recognize those issues which have hampered the performance of healthcare industry in recent times with aim of recognizing such issues of big data and how it has hampered the operations and performance of healthcare industry. This study will conduct a detailed research, analysis and discuss in the final report. In this case, it will perform on the basis of above discussed aspects. Finally, the final study will also underline few recommendations that how those big data associated risks can be prevailed in the future. Thank you for listening.